Top 5 apps like DTLRcom review that actually work today. If you love streetwear and sneakers, you know that finding the latest drops can feel impossible. Most people get this wrong, but there are apps beyond DTLRcom that actually make shopping for trendy gear easier. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 apps that are worth your time. First up is Foot Locker. This app isn't just about shoes, it offers exclusive releases, early access to limited sneakers, and a user-friendly interface that makes browsing effortless. You can even set up alerts for your favorite brands so you never miss a drop. Next is Champs Sports. Like Foot Locker, Champs specializes in sneakers and streetwear, but what sets it apart are their member perks. Signing up gives you early notifications, discounts, and even loyalty rewards points for every purchase. Number 3 is Finish Line. Known for its huge selection of athletic wear, Finish Line's app makes it easy to compare prices, track orders, and get exclusive online-only deals. The app is especially good for those hunting for rare or hard-to-find sneaker editions. Fourth, we have Stocks. This one is different. It's a marketplace app where you can buy and sell sneakers, streetwear, and even accessories. The standout feature here is transparency. You can see actual market prices, ensuring you never overpay for a hyped item. Finally, GOAT. GOAT focuses on authenticated sneakers and streetwear, which means you get peace of mind with every purchase. The app also features a resell option, letting you turn your items into cash quickly. In conclusion, while DTLRcom is great, these 5 apps can make your sneaker and streetwear game stronger than ever. From early releases to reselling opportunities, you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. So next time a hype drop comes around, you'll be ready, organized, and ahead of the crowd.